check yourself before you wreck yourself. Get you to check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Hi guys, it's Kelsey here. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions for you guys, and it's going to be on a couple of products from the Redken Curvaceous line. And Kendra and I got a couple of these products in Ulta maybe like over a month and a half ago. So they've been sitting in this closet for a while and I haven't used them yet because I wanted to do a first impressions for you guys. And this line does come with a lot of different products, but I just got two from Ulta because these are the two that look the most interesting to me, because the line does come with a high foam and a low foam cleanser. I'm not sure exactly what that is, and it comes with a conditioner, which I have here. This is a smaller bottle because I didn't want to buy like a bigger bottle just in case I didn't like it. So I do have the Curvaceous leave-in / rinse out conditioner, so you can leave this in and rinse it out. And I got the Curvaceous Spiral Lock High Hold Gel. So those are the only two products that I got. I also saw that this line also has like a cream serum or something, but I wasn't really interested in that because most like cream gel serums don't really work on my hair. Like when it's like a combination, you know those little swirl products and it comes out kind of like tacky? Those usually don't work for me, so I didn't even bother trying it. But y'all know I love a good rinse out / leave-in conditioner and a gel. Even though Kendra is more of a gel person than me, I'm more of a cream styler type person, which I am going to be doing my top 5 favorite cream stylers next week for you guys. But I used both of these in combination today for you guys. But I cleansed my hair with the Curls Blueberry Cream Cleanser, just so you guys can know what I cleanse with. And I also deep condition with the DevaCurl. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll have it right here. But I really like the deep conditioner because you guys know I'm not that much of a DevaCurl fan, but I really like the deep conditioner, so that's what I deep condition with. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know what I cleansed and deep conditioned with, because those products also play a big part in how your wash and go turns out. But today we're just going to be talking about these styling products. I feel like that was a long ass intro. I'm so sorry. The first product that I put in my hair after I rinsed out my deep conditioner was this Redken Curvaceous conditioner. And like I said on the bottle, it says leave-in / rinse out. This is the 8.5 fluid ounce, so it's kind of small, well, to me anyway. I do have a little bit left. I have like this much left, so I used about that much product. It is a lighter weight conditioner. It's not like super thick or anything, but I like that because sometimes I just want like a, you know, like a more lighter conditioner, and then I want to let like my gel do the work as far as styling. So I do feel like this moisturized my hair. Now, it didn't moisturize my hair as good as like a lot of my other products, because I have a ton of other products that I would pick over this. But it did do a good job at like detangling in my hair when I was finger detangling, and like it didn't take like forever for me to apply the product and like rake it through. So that's when I can tell if the conditioner is doing its job or not. Like when I'm using a conditioner and I'm having a hard time finger detangling, that's how I know that it's not really a good conditioner for my hair. But this one did a pretty good job at finger detangling. Now, what I did notice when I first put it on my hair was that it was kind of turning into like a mousse texture, like as I was like raking it through my hair. And it kind of reminds me of the Giovanni conditioner, the brand that they have at Whole Foods. They have it, they have a few different lines from that brand at Whole Foods. I really like that conditioner a lot. And as I was applying this to my hair, it kind of reminded me of that. So if you use the Giovanni conditioners before, this pretty much works like that. But to me, this is a little bit thicker than that. So the Giovanni conditioner is a little bit more lightweight, and this is a tad bit thicker. If I could compare it to anything, that's what I would compare it to. So as soon as I saw that it was giving more of a like moussey finish, like as I was like raking it through my hair, I knew that my hair was gonna come out more of a lighter hold if I just left this in there by itself. So I was like, thank God I got the gel. My hair is actually really soft. It's like more of a like soft hold. It's not like crunchy or anything, which I don't mind. The only thing I don't like about like a soft wash and go is that it's only gonna last about 2 days, which is kind of annoying, but that's okay because my hair is like really soft. So yeah, that's that for the conditioner. As far as, wait, I'll let y'all know that at the end of the video. So onto the gel. So after I applied the conditioner, I applied the gel, and I used the Curvaceous Spiral Lock High Hold Gel. And it just says it has Curl Memory Complex. Not exactly sure what that is. It just says kink-free spirals all day long. There's nothing wrong with the little kink. High Hold Gel. Now, one thing I do like about this gel, I was surprised at how thick it was. I was expecting it to be more like a Jessie Curl Spiralicious gel, because that's kind of like a watery gel. Like the gel that I used in my current go-to curly hair routine, that's more of like a watery gel. But this is a lot thicker than I was expecting it to be. And it looks like it has a tad bit of cream in it as well. So it's not just like a typical clear gel. Because it didn't leave my hair super crunchy. Like I barely had to scrunch out any crunch, I noticed, but it did give a good amount of hold as well. Now, one thing I did notice after I applied the gel is that my hair started feeling like it was leaking water. I know it sounds weird, but my hair started to feel like a sponge that was being wrung out, and I felt like water dripping everywhere as soon as I applied the gel on top of the conditioner. Now, I'm not sure why that is. Maybe because this has more of a moussey texture, and mousses and gels don't really mix that well. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But my hair was like leaking everywhere right after I finished applying the gel. And I was like, what in the world is going on? But it wasn't that big of a deal. So I let my hair air dry, and I air dried in front of my fan. Like my floor fan, you know, my ghetto fan. The one, yeah, that one. So that's the one I used. And my hair air dried pretty quickly because these are pretty lightweight products. And I was actually surprised to see that the gel was thicker than the conditioner. So my hair air dried probably maybe in like 4 or 5 hours, which is pretty quick to me because my hair takes about 24 hours to air dry sometimes, depending on what I'm using. But these products are a lot more lightweight, like I said. So these are the finished results of my hair. It's super soft. It's pretty bouncy, but I really like how soft it is. But I hate that this is not going to last longer than 2 days. I know my hair, this is not going to last longer than 2 days. I'm telling y'all, it's not going to last. I'm just saying. I'm not being negative. I'm just being real. So I wish they were a tad bit heavier. Even though, like I said, it's kind of like a love-hate relationship with products that leave your hair like fluffy and bouncy. It doesn't last longer than 2 days. So yeah. So as far as me recycling or repurchasing, I don't know if I made that up, but that's what I'm calling this video. I thought it was a cute name. So I would probably recycle the conditioner, the leave-in / rinse out, because I have so many other conditioners that work better than this. Like it wasn't anything super special to me, and I could just go buy one of my Giovanni conditioners from Whole Foods that's cheaper than this, because Redken is not a cheap brand. Like it's just not, because you guys know, like I swear by them for my straight hair. I'm obsessed with the anti-breakage line, the blue line, and I'm obsessed with the All Soft line and the gold packaging. Like those are like in my top 5 as far as like the products that I use for when I straighten my hair. So Redken is not cheap. But for my curls, I was just curious to see how these products would work. I was like, because my straight hair loves their products, so I wanted to see if my curly hair would like their products. And this conditioner is a no for me because I wasn't like, you know, knocked off my feet or anything. I would definitely recycle this. So this is going in the recycling bin after I use the rest of this, which is like that much. Now the gel, on the other hand, would definitely be a repurchase. I did like this gel because I like how thick it was, and I like how it gave my hair a nice hold without making my hair super crunchy. Because I don't know, Kendra loves gels, but I'm just not a gel girl because I hate how crunchy my hair feels when I put them in. The only time that I'll put a crunchy gel in my hair is Kinky Curly, and that's only when I'm going to Florida or something, or if I'm going on a vacation where I'm going to be by the water. That's the only time I put like a super crunchy gel in my hair. So if you like gels, I would highly recommend giving this one a try. Like I said, I got these products from Ulta. I can't remember exact price of this, but I will have both products linked in the description box. I mean, not that you would probably even click this because I'm not really recommending it, because like I said, I would not repurchase that, but I love this gel. And I'm kind of surprised because I was expecting to like the conditioner more than the gel, but that just goes to show how you just have to try stuff out and see how you like it for yourself and how your hair reacts to it, because sometimes your hair can surprise you, especially natural hair, because it's so unpredictable. And it's like a science experiment every time you use something new, at least for me. So it is very exciting when I use a new product. Like as my hair is drying, I'm just like, every time I go in the bathroom, I'm looking, I'm like, okay, how is this looking? You know? So yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do like more of these repurchase or recycle. I can do it with more hair products if you guys would like, or I can do it with like makeup or something. Also, again, don't forget to keep checking the description box for upcoming videos, because Kendra and I are trying to, you know, stay on it with ideas and keep you guys informed for what's to come. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming through, yo, what's the hola? I'm in that new me and new when I roll up. I told her valet.